come on, really? Oh, I hate doing this at home.
I'm not gonna do it very well, but here we go. To be honest with you guys, I really just stuck these in my linen closet. Yeah, do you guys do it differently?
Properly? I'm gonna guess that my way is gonna be improperly, but I'm gonna try my best. You know there's like a secret way to do it.
Folding a fitted sheet. It is a very difficult thing for me to do, to fold a fitted sheet.
Oh, so I was in the army, so this should not be that hard.
So I just fold it in half and start rolling it into a ball.
Why is this so complicated? You can tell who does the laundry in the house.
I mean, properly, or can it be just the appearance of it?
Tuck this in here. This is going well.
First, I do the edges inside out, and then I put them together. Cut. Let's start over again.
Fold fitted sheet. No method at all. Just winging it, trying your best to get all the wrinkles out.
And I try to get the little crinkly part on the inside as much as I can.
So this is as good as I'm gonna be able to. Do you do this on the regular?
And this is how it goes, yeah. Put my fingers in the corners, bringing them around, grabbing the other side. There we go. Fingers in the corners, back around.
Try to line the corners up again. Fold it over.
I just fold until it's looks nice and pretty, right?
Yeah, I have no clue. I thought this was gonna be a lot easier.
Done.
How about a big pile? And then do a little, do the hustle. Voila.
I don't think there's any good way to do it.
That's pretty good, right? Like, it's kind of clean. If you stack them up enough, you don't really notice it's a really bad job.
Do you think your wife would redo it after?
Yeah, she would 100%.
And find the elastic part that will cover it. It's actually really genius.
And you have a fitted sheet.
How often do you fold fitted sheets?
I fold bed sheets on the. Well, I don't want to say, because what if it's not being cleaned enough, and then everyone will know. I sleep on dirty sheets. I do it the normal amount that one would.